Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Smart English Podcast. I'm Mia, and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
And I'm Alex. It's great to be back, Mia, and great to connect with all our amazing listeners. We have a super interesting and useful topic for you today, something we all do, no matter where we live.
That's right, Alex. Today, we're talking about shopping and money. These are two things we deal with every single day, right? Buying food, clothes, gifts, and understanding how we pay for them.
Absolutely. It's a big part of life. We'll learn some common words and phrases, share some personal stories, and even do a little practice. So, get ready to boost your English skills in a fun, natural way.
Let's start with shopping, Alex. Where do you usually go shopping? Do you prefer a big supermarket, a small local shop, or maybe online stores?
That's a great question, Mia. For food, I almost always go to the supermarket. It's easy, they have everything, and sometimes I can find good deals. A supermarket is a large store that sells food, drinks, and things for your home, like Mega Mart or Fresh Foods.
Yes, supermarkets are so convenient. What about clothes or other items, Alex? Do you prefer to go to a physical store where you can see and touch things, or do you like to shop online from your computer or phone?
For clothes, I actually prefer shopping in a physical store. That means a real shop you can walk into. I like to try on clothes, put them on to see if they fit well. Online shopping is convenient, but sometimes the size is wrong, and then I have to return the item. Return means to send it back to the store.
I understand that completely. It's nice to try things on. Now, a word we often hear when shopping is sale. Alex, can you explain what a sale is and why people love them?
Oh, a sale is fantastic. A sale means that a store is selling items for a lower price than usual, so things are cheaper. We say there's a discount. A discount is money taken off the original price. For example, if a shirt is usually $20, but it's on sale for $10, that's a 50% discount.
That's a great example. Who doesn't love a good sale? Now, let's try saying this together. Repeat after me. I love shopping when there is a sale. I love shopping when there is a sale.
Excellent. You did great. Keep practicing that. Mia, let's move to the second part of our topic, money. This is super important. Do you usually make a budget for your money?
That's a really good question, Alex. I try to. A budget is a plan for your money. It helps you decide how much money you can spend and how much you can save. Spend means to use money to buy things, and save means to keep money for the future, like for a big trip or a new car.
Exactly. It's so helpful to save money. I remember I really wanted to buy a new bicycle last year. It was quite expensive. Expensive means it costs a lot of money. The opposite of expensive is cheap. So I decided to save money every week. I didn't buy coffee every day. I cooked at home instead of eating out. After a few months, I had enough money to buy the bicycle. It felt great.
What a wonderful story, Alex. That shows how important it is to save money for things you really want. For our listeners, think about this. Do you like to save money, or do you prefer to spend it right away? There's no right or wrong answer. It's just about knowing your habits.
Good question for our listeners. Now, let's practice some phrases for when you're actually in a store. Mia, how about a quick role play? I'll be the cashier, the person who takes your money, and you can be the customer, the person buying things.
Perfect, Alex. I love role plays. Okay, I'm ready. I'm at the checkout, and I have this lovely blue scarf.
Hi there. Did you find everything you needed today?
Yes, thanks. Just this scarf. How much is it?
Let me see. It's $15. It's actually on sale today, so that's a good price.
Oh, great. $15. I'll take it. Can I pay with a credit card?
Certainly. Just insert your card here. And would you like a receipt? A receipt is the paper that shows what you bought and how much you paid.
Yes, please. I'll take the receipt. Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Thank you for shopping with us.
That was fun. See how easy it is to have a short conversation at the store? We used how much is it, can I pay with a credit card, and receipt. These are all very useful.
Absolutely. Knowing those phrases makes shopping so much smoother. Here's another common thing: window shopping. Mia, do you ever just window shop?
Oh, all the time, Alex. Window shopping means you look at things in the store windows or even walk around inside a store, but you don't buy anything. You just look. It's fun, especially around holidays when stores have beautiful decorations. I love to window shop for clothes or home decor.
Me too. Sometimes it's nice to just look and dream, right? And sometimes window shopping can lead to an impulse buy. An impulse buy is when you buy something suddenly without planning it because you just see it and want it right away.
Ah, yes, the impulse buy. I'm guilty of that sometimes. One time, I was just window shopping in a bookstore and I saw a really pretty notebook. I didn't need a notebook. I have many, but it was so beautiful. I just had to buy it. That was a total impulse buy.
I know that feeling. I once bought a really fancy coffee maker because it looked so cool, but I already had one that worked perfectly fine. It was definitely an impulse buy, and maybe not the best use of my money, but it looked good on my kitchen counter for a while.
We've all been there. Okay, let's have one more quick practice. Say this with me. I sometimes make an impulse buy. I sometimes make an impulse buy.
Great, you're doing so well. We've covered a lot today about shopping and money. Remember these words: supermarket, sale, discount, budget, spend, save, expensive, cheap, cashier, customer, receipt, window shopping, and impulse buy.
That's a fantastic list, Alex. And we practiced some useful phrases, like how much is it and can I pay with a credit card? The best way to learn these is to use them.
Exactly. So, for a little homework, next time you go shopping, try to use one new word or phrase you learned today. Even if it's just saying thank you with a smile after getting your receipt. Or maybe tell a friend about a sale you saw.
That's a brilliant idea, Alex. Practice makes perfect. And the more you use these words, the more natural they will feel. Thank you so much for joining us on the Smart English podcast today.
Yes, thank you for listening and learning with us. We hope you had fun. Keep practicing your English, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.